Out the tent, guys. All this to get a perfect shot. Right, let's get this done. No, I need to open the tent. I don't need to open the tent fully. So what I need to do is I actually left them in here. Cool. Right, so let's do the first one. Should get about 20 minutes out of each one. Let's not put any batteries in there yet. This is when I get things mixed up. Right. So we want 2 EBL batteries out. So we've got the first one, which is here. I've got an idea. I'll do the same for this side. Lean the O-light on a tent peg, and then we've got this one. That one's got a face. Come here. That's got a face. Come here, you son of a bitch. It's not very flat, that one. That one's flat. That's it. And then we got this one. It's got no battery in it. And this one goes up as well. Like so. Facing that way. Right, let's have a look at the camera. If I'm happy with that, then obviously, yeah, let's have a look. That's better. Close the tent up. This is my cardio. My energy levels are improving, but I'm used to doing a hike as well as doing this. I just get tired looking at you. Well, maybe you need to burn some energy off then, mate. You're a bit chubby. Right, please like, comment, subscribe, see you in another video.